power cable, or charging cable. You go up to a little around the hook, and then I have it strung and it hangs like that, which is not really too bad. When you take it out, you can probably just go like this. It doesn't hang, it doesn't hit the ground, and looks a little nicer.
Welcome to Tesla Life. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the video with your friends. And I would appreciate it if you'd press that little like button. So TapTes sent me a Tesla charging cable organizer wall mount. So I want to review it for you guys. Check it out.
So this is my current jerry-rigged cable, power cable or charging cable. I go up to a little pillar here, put a hook in, I wrap it around the hook, and then I have it strung over to my 220, 240 wall outlet. And I just received to review this wall mount for your charging cable, and it's pretty simple to install. I think I'm going to put it here actually, so that I find that nice, because then I just have to grab it there and plug it in close by. It probably makes more sense to use one of these when you have it all the way back far away, because the cable or wire would hang down a bunch. So, but I think it'll still be nice to set it up here, so I'm going to install it. So it'll basically look like this, and you can plug the end of the power charger into the hole there to secure it. I sort of, let me show you what I do now. Let's unplug it. I just sort of wrap my cable around like that, and it hangs like that, which is not really too bad, but it'll look a little nicer with this mount here. Pretty easy to install, so let me install it. So that was ridiculously easy. Just mounted this little plate. I used one of these in the hole that I already had, and then I just put this in. There are two wood screws. This just went into the drywall, and it seems to be quite secure. So then we just take this unit, and it slides on from the back. I believe it goes down. And there she is. That's it. Pretty easy. So let's take the cable, and I can loop it around here, and then simply put this piece in, and we're done. So I could wrap the cord around once if I wanted it to be a little neater, like that, I guess. And then I can just take this off, lift it up a little bit, undo it, and plug it in here. So it looks like that from there. When I take it out, I can probably just go like this, because it doesn't hang, it doesn't hit the ground, and it's looks a little nicer. It's definitely secure. So there you go. I think I like it.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe on the top left and share the video with your friends. My other Model 3 videos are here in the middle. If you want 1,000 miles of free supercharging, please use my referral code listed on the bottom. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts are on the right. And check out my new channel, Pickleball is Life. It's a great game, and subscribe on the bottom left. Take care.